Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add clickable links in Canva. So when someone clicks your text or button, it opens your website, WhatsApp, or Instagram instantly. Let's jump in. First, click on the text button or image you want to make clickable. I'm using the YouTube icon here. Select the image you want to add the link and press Ctrl-K on your keyboard. Paste your link, your website URL, your Instagram profile, or your WhatsApp link. Then click Done. That's it. Your link is now added. This part is very important. Go to Share, Download, choose PDF Standard. Do not download as JPEG or PNG because links won't work in image files. Download it as a PDF and your links will be clickable. You can also link images, link icons, link to another page inside the same document. This is perfect for product catalogs, ebooks, price lists, business brochures. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Canva tips. See you in the next video.